Okay, mom, let's start. So, make a perpendicular lines. Then from the top, down kag 2 inches. Then from 2 inches down kag 6 for the pocket opening. 6 inches pocket opening. And then from the top down ka og 10. Then from 10 up ka og 1 inch. And here 10 gihapon. From the perpendicular 6 and 1/2. 6 and 1/2. Then siya 1 inch diri. Dayon from here 1 inch, imong slightly curve. So diri is folded siya. So from here og here is 6 and 1/2 inches. So that's all for the pocket.